ICCT stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, and I'm also giving you my stock prediction. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've done well over 39,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, more than anyone else in the space. And all I'm looking to do is obviously still double down on this beautiful bullish market. If you watch my previous video, which was made here, you can see 20 hours ago, all I look to do is obviously take things up only if there was like that shift, and only after the price actually gave me that, you can see things took a turn. And all I'm gonna say is that it was phenomenal. You know, there's nothing else for me to add here other than that I'm still gonna look to take things up and buy even more as long as the price comes a little bit lower, then gives me that shift. Everything else is about to be noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. And also if you want to stay tuned about ICCT, find that in the free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.